I apologize. I apologize for that.
Plus I pilfered a couple of boxes off you.
Well, that's going to cost you.
I doubt it.
What do you doubt? What are you doubting? Miss Doubtfire?
See, the odd ones got these little tacks where they were
A little ticky-tacky?
welded to the frame.
Oh no. Well, let's drive your truck like over there or something maybe.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, those are good. Maybe we'll drive your truck over to the dormitory or something.
Well, that's why I asked you where you wanted them.
Yeah. So you don't need a transmission.
Well, it's working right now, but we
We're
don't
running the ball sock off in second gear for fucking a year.
we don't know how long it's going to last. But even if we get, you know, we don't know how long we're going to be doing Conqueroo either. Like Freedom 85 is coming up pretty soon.
Freedom 85?
It's coming up pretty soon.
Holy.
So, Gord said even if we get, you know, a couple more years out of that truck, is it worth putting another fucking $2,000 into it or whatever, right? Because you buy the transmission, then you got to pay somebody to put it in. Take the old one out and put that one in, so that's going to be $1,500 or whatever.
4,500 probably.
Yeah, our wire mesh, it's doubled this year from what it was last year. Double. Like we're paying 55 cents a square foot just to put the wire in.
So you quit wire this year?
Oh, thank God, huh?
It's like two little pieces in there.
Have a fucking, increase.
Well, if you're quitting in a couple years anyway, fuck it. Start doing fucking...
Oh, you can't do garbage work.
Why not? You're quitting. Move to fucking Florida and go fuck yourself. Freedom 85.
Yeah, but that's only 21 years from now. Might have to get one more dump before then.
There's about 500 bucks.
What is it?
Water diesel.
Water diesel.
Yeah, my tractor, you know, the bunch of shit happened, so it just sat all winter. Plus, I quit winter, so I went to start it up, fired right up, this and that. Like 2 minutes later, maybe it just died, and it wouldn't start. I cracked the shit. Water's just pouring out of the fuel. Top of the tank's all rotted out.
How'd water get in there?
Top of the tank's rotted out. So I had to make a new tank lid and shit. Fuck.
How's he doing?
Oh, your Camaro Lamborghini, bud.
Yeah.
Did you survive?
Yeah. I feel a little nauseated.
Is it
Oh yeah,
No,
big
I'm
time.
kidding.
every time there's oncoming traffic, he's like veering relentless?
Yeah,
Oh, I apologize. Just leave the garbage in my car. It's okay.
it doesn't need to be left in there.
I apologize. Just a dick right away.
Yeah.
20 years unemployed.
Oh, I get the blackest ones.
Yeah.
What's this? You wait.
For what? What am I waiting for? Everybody's done? Everybody's done? Had a good time? Everybody had a good time?
Well, I have to clean up.
In front of grandma.
Yeah. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. I wonder what it's like to witness your grandson whack it off your son at a Mother's Day luncheon. I apologize.
That's fucking good.
And you just,
Pee hole in there. And then
yeah. And then you apply it with your dink.
yeah. And then you just like,
Did he not hang on you very well?
Are you upset?
Huh?
Are you upset
Whatever.
with your genetic line?
Yeah, it was just somewhere it got.
Yeah. Something happened along the way and it's just not doing
Go
good.
back in evolution now, or go back to caveman.
It's just not in a good situation.
Like you thought I was dumb, and then Jim got
Yeah, and
invented.
then I came
I didn't
along.
think you were dumb. I never thought you were dumb.
Wow. I mean,
Just like severely challenged.
With the brake.
In the thinking pliance.
You just couldn't seem to apply stuff to paper and
Oh, what the f is that?
Yeah. What is, that
Like,
doesn't
when do I
achieve
do
anything.
that?
You can apply stuff to real wit.
I should have been put in like one of those schools where they, you know, like a trade school when I was like 7. What happened? Oh, Jim, I don't want to have to fucking crack the shit out of you, so. You fucking sneaking on me?
He's telling me to go paint stuff.
Do it. What?
Good fucking lord, you guys. You gotta paint a dude that's standing where the dink is. So it's like a dude with his dink out. That's a pretty good dink for just a fucking,
Just a quick twist.
just a
Can't
fucking.
make dudes. I can make letters. That's it.
Oh fuck,
I just
that's,
gotta make it say something.
what can it say?
I don't know.
Did you ever get told you gotta shake it until the ball stops making noise?
It never would. Sometimes the ball doesn't make a noise until you shake it a whole bunch.
Like 25 minutes later, take it from him. Okay, it's good. Oh. Oh my goodness. Holy. What the f? You put an extra dot in the G. Why does the G have a dot?
This is a halo.
Oh. I apologize. That's good paint. I should paint my truck with that. Is that paint expensive?
Yeah. Well, not really. This is like $9.
Oh, yeah?
And so it's like Canadian Tire sells like garbage paint for like $15 a can, and it doesn't even work. And this shit's like,
Yeah. Yeah, like you could get some
Drizzle
coverage with that, maybe.
yeah. And that's like a quick, like I was going
Yeah.
quick too, like. And then it like flares out because this cap is like a super thick cap, so I could like make a dot from like here, and the dot would be like this big. So you can like you can see kind of right here, it like flared out a little bit. Look at my license plate. I almost
don't
got
want to.
420.
Oh, you should have waited like three
Three
dicks.
dudes.
He was about to be mad big time. If it was me, he would have been mad.
I haven't had a tit rub in a long time.
Smoke
I'll
cigarettes.
probably forget, so text me in an hour.
Jimberly.
It's just dented.
Yeah, Denny, you should just scrap this and pull it around back and walk home. Pretty much, I'll spray paint it black and give it to Tiffany.
USB.
Smoke cigarettes.